if I want to see the area of this particular place, then this can also be shown. How do you do it? You use polygon here. Now this is polygon, so I'm going to type here as area, and I'm going to change here. You can see this is area. So if I want to know the area of these empty spaces, I can also do the measurement using Google Earth by going through here, then through here, through here, through here. If this is where I want to take a measurement on, then here I can change it from fill to outline. You can see it here. I can also outline color. I can make it red, and I'll click OK. That changed to red, and I can also increase the size, and that's clicks OK. So with this, I can go to measurement part, and you can see here if it is in kilometer. Okay, so this is the area in square meters here, and this can help you determine the area of this particular place. So this is a way you can measure area in here. So you should be able to have them here. So this is the third things I showed you on Google Earth. So number one is how you can the way you can check elevation on Google Earth. Then number two is the way you can have street view. Then on Google Earth Pro, number three is the way you can carry out measurement like area, measurement like length, like distance from one point to another, and this can be carried out here using Google Earth Pro. So this helps you get overview. If you know what we call reconnaissance survey, you see that with this you can go ahead and check where you want to go before you go there. Assuming they ask you to come and carry a topographic survey here, you can assuming look at how it looks, even check how fair the elevation is and rest of them, and should be able to come to conclusion on that. Is that okay? Do you have